Di ko siya gusto para sa anak ko. Kaya mag-BFGF pa lang sila, di kami nagkasundo. Lahat ng ginagawa niya taliwas sa nakasanayan ko. Hanggang sa kasal sila, hindi niya nakuha yung loob ko. Isang araw, sumobra ako. Sumuko siya at iniwan ang anak ko. Ngayon di ko alam kung paano siya pababalikin dahil nagsasuffer ang anak ko. Paano ko sasabihin kailangan ko siya at ang aking apo. Ako si Lida. At hirap akong aminin, nagkamali ako. Parents do want the best for their child. There is no question about that. Walang magulang ang gusto ang half-baked na klase ng tao para sa anak nila. They want that person to be the best in anything they can possibly be. Be the best wife, be the best in their profession, be a best parent to their grandchild. Almost perfect, ika nga nila. But in this world, we know that that can never happen. There's no such thing as perfect daughter-in-law or son-in-law kasi there is no perfect person. Lahat tayo may flaws. Lahat tayo may mga kakulangan. But then again, when your child has already decided to be with someone, to spend the rest of their lives with this person, kung may tiwala kayo sa sarili ninyo, may tiwala din kayo sa way ninyo ng pagpapalaki. Then therefore you can trust your child that their decision is not just based on their emotions. Na napag-isipan nila yon, alam nila na it's practical, it's doable, it's feasible for their lives, and they have found someone na perfect para sa kanila. Para makatuwang nila habang buhay. If you really believe in your parenting skills, then you should have faith in your child. Kasi the moment that you meddle in their relationship, lalong-lalo na in their marriage, it shows how little your faith is sa capability ng anak mo na magkontrol ng sarili niyang buhay. Overstepping sa boundaries ng parent to a married child ay often, kadalasan na o-overlook. Kasi some people will garnish it with the words, concerned lang sila. Pero no. Sometimes you really have to have faith in your kids na they will do the right thing. Na they will have a great decision sa mga buhay nila, that they will commit mistakes even in their marriages. But that doesn't mean you failed as a parent. It just mean na yun yung marriage eh. Meron silang mga misunderstandings, problems of their own, pero sa kanila yon. You don't need to overstep. You don't need to micromanage everything. Your job as a parent ended nung nagkaroon na sila ng sariling pamilya. I'm not asking you to move away from your child or to have no concern, to do not offer your opinion. Of course you can. Pero yung mag-decide kayo para sa kanila, yung gumawa kayo in any way to affect their own relationships, alam mo naman siguro na that is overboard. Lida, what you did is you force the person na mahal na ng anak mo away from your own child. And I do understand right now na it pains you to see your own child suffering. Kasi mahal niya yung asawa niya eh. Lalong-lalo na yung anak niya. And you meddle with that family. So my love, I don't know, but whenever you're ready, and I hope hindi siya ganun katagal before you force yourself to be ready, ask for forgiveness. I know yung mga magulang don't usually ask or seek forgiveness sa mga anak nila regardless if that is a daughter or son-in-law. But in this situation, ikaw yung nagkamali. Magpakumbaba ka. Hindi mo naman kailangan magmanikluhod eh. Aaminin mo lang na nag-overstep ka. And then you lead that woman to have a talk with your child. I'm sure before it came to this point ng situation, your child is no saint. He could have prevented this from happening. Pero those are the things na they have to figure out as couples. If you want to be a parent to your child today, be the bridge so that their family can be whole again. Now, kung after what you are about to do, hindi pa rin sila nagkaayos, then you know with clear conscience that you did your best to right your wrong. To mend kung ano man yung nasira mo. To help your child, not meddle. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? When they converse, when they communicate, when they have that talk, you don't have to be there representing your child. No, let them talk as a couple. Let them talk as parents. You say your piece, then you leave them. Tas little by little, instead of magnifying yung mga mali, yung flaws, yung mga pagkukulang ng manugang mo sa'yo, ng daughter-in-law mo sa'yo, try to see the good she is trying to put on the table. Bring to the family. See her efforts of having a relationship with you. See her efforts of winning your heart. Kasi I bet all through these years, she tried. She tried na makuha yung loob mo. She tried na makuha yung approval mo para sa kanya. So my love, I think it's about time when that girl or that woman took 100 steps to be close to you. Maybe this time around, you can take one step to meet her halfway. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? It's not too late. You just have to lower your pride. I know you know that. Pero this time around, instead of knowing, try acting upon it. Claro? Claro.